Hello guys, and today is a segment of my new YouTube channel, which is what I'm going to be doing is taking household products like this and just bashing them and seeing what kind of explosion and or implosion that they make. Sorry you guys, I just had to pull up my pants, I'm sorry. Alright, you're all ready? Ooh, come back here. Bitch, I didn't say you were done. Sometimes I'm sorry guys, but you know, to get the good stuff, it's gonna take more than one hit. I'm sorry. So, you all want me to do it with a lot of force? There you go. See what happens. It's one tough can of wood finish. It's really tough. You know, look at it. It's been open, so it's not exploding. Sorry, you guys, it's taking me so long, but dang, that was not a good hit at all. Now that was probably gonna be the last hit, you guys. All right, who just wants to see me smash it with a cinder block? Oh, nah, that would suck. Right, let's do this. Oh, got it. I did it. Look what happened. Oh, damn. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, God. That just went. That exploded. What? I know that's probably flammable, but we're not going to burn it. But watch it. It's. Okay. Alright. So, here in a little while, we'll do another segment of. How about you guys tell me a good name for this one? What? Over in here?